Amanyokuo kesiye a ye opposition wo memu eye National Democratic Congress metre NDC amanyokuo no na wo mo ka kire aban yi se eto ahodo bia wode atoto niema bi so ewo omemu no nimanim ya wonye firi ho na Ghana de hye eho enha on titiro ebi ene petroleum tax na afei sanitation levy no wo ma ne ho nye ha se nimanim ya wo be ye firi ho.
Communications officer Emma NDC amanyokuo no Samijan fi ekasa won semtrofo nhia mu nase no na odi tu da se emfa ho se empanyinfo atoto fa ngobuo mu amanedu ohamu nchechemu aduanan num no aketuantu mu ohamu nchechemu enan pe na wode ama aban adwumayefo wo kire mu a saade yi de ohawo ano oden na ba beto omanfo nyina so Samijan fi kire mu a wono de wogidi yie pa se esan omanpanyin danko akufo ado amemu bone na nam so a amafa ngobuo etumi akosoro sa
have once again been slapped with another increase in the pump prices of fuel. Only yesterday, the prices of diesel and petrol was increased by 7% by the insensitive and clueless Akufo-Addo Bawumia MPP government. The introduction of these regressive and draconian taxes by a group of people who berated the ex-Wal NDC Mahama administration for overtaxing Ghanaians, and a group who promised to move Ghana from taxation to production when elected, smacks of deception and insensitivity of monumental proportions. Additionally, they have introduced a baller tax on petrol and diesel, 10 pesos per litre. Now, some of these existing taxes they have increased include the increase of the bust margin, the increase in the fuel market margin from 3 pesos to 5 pesos, and the increase in the road fund levy from 41 pesos to 46 pesos, almost double the price they berated the NDC Mahama administration for. Masters of political chicanery, President Akufo-Addo himself, ably assisted by Dr. Bawumia,